Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I am your host, A Wolf, and today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin rally. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto, latest news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with me whenever the stream is done, join me on the Discord. Links have been pinned here on top of the chat. How's it going, BL? Thank you, Jake, for being here. Let's get rolling. Let's do this real quick. So what's happening with crypto, right? Market cap had a rally. We're looking for the bullish divergence. We had it till yesterday. Today, you know, we were moving down by the opening when we were looking at the chart. Sorry, yesterday, and we still getting that motion to the upside, right? Again, strong bullish potential for moving up. It's you know, something that we're looking for. Again, we're not 100% sure if we're gonna be done with that downwards motion move. I'm not sure yet. Move to the 20 would be a likely target, but again, overall, we're just seeing weakness, right? Let's go check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin managed to rally approximately. I'm just waiting for this to load. Taking forever. There we go. Loaded, rallied around 2.59%, again below the 19,666 area, which is our resistance here on this chart, and this other chart resistance around 19,400, and I think we are rejecting that zone, right? So I'm just gonna come in here real quick, wait for it to load. As soon as it loads, we're gonna verify that we are having this rejection any day now. Oh, wait. No, we're going to wait. There we go. See, rejection very, very close at 19,496, right? So, again, we'll see how things are going to go. Have, you know, bullishness. So, that's the only good thing that we have going on right now. We called it yesterday. We knew it was a chance for a potential moving up again. Market not 100% clear. Not a lot of strength behind the move yet. Which you'll see, right? Sold at 35.35. Let's go to that 4-hour chart, man. On the 4-hour chart, bearish divergence. Moving down with that, right? Nothing bullish on the 4-hour chart. Now, the only bullishness that we have is from way back here. I think we managed to create this one by yesterday night. And we have to go way back, right, for this to happen. And it comes from way over here, right? And then we can say, yo, there's strong bullish on the 4 hour. And I think that's what we're seeing on the daily, or the same area that we're targeting on the daily. Moved up, hit that 20 moving average, rejecting it, right? Rejecting that 20 after we hit it on the last 4 hour candle. Nothing else bearish overhead. Let's see how crypto keeps on moving, right? Neutral 44.44 again, that's it. Nice rally in Bitcoin. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. And on the 1 hour chart, we had the bullish divergence, right? Yesterday, we were here live at, on the 6th. And we knew it was a chance for action to the outside. We did manage to start a climb slightly, right? It was not the best climb here until it broke the 20. And if you remember, guys, we were talking about getting into Bitcoin potentially once it broke the 20, because some of you guys were looking for ins. And here's when it broke the 20, right? At 7:45 p.m. Or first, it broke it here around midnight. And then again here around, 7:45 a.m. today. And then if we go into the 5-minute chart, which is the one we're looking at, we were, over here on our entry when we broke that 15-minute chart, and that would have been here. And here it was the end, right? We were on these candles when we were live, and we were talking about potential moving down. We didn't know it was not looking extremely bullish. We didn't have anything bullish to follow through. And I said, an in or potential in is once we break that 20. It just happens that we broke it a couple of candles afterwards. And look at what happened, right? If you waited for that confirmation, then you're good, right? So like I said, nice. Wait for that break above the 20, and then, we would have been set. On the best case scenario, we would have made 4%. If we were to exit where we're at right now, you would have made about 2.85%. But again, looking for that move, right? Because there was a chance, without having anything else bullish, that we would have rejected somewhere around that 20 moving average, right? The only bullishness we had was here on the 1 hour chart with this green candle coming through. But again, it was not 100% clean on the move, right? We know if we're actually going to bust through that 20. So we had to wait for confirmation. And you can see on the 5-minute, broke that 20. Then the 15-minute, we broke that 20. Then the hour broke the 20, right? So that's why we want to wait for that confirmation. Now, you would have gotten in today on breaking that 20 at 8 in the morning. You could have still gotten a 2% or a 2% gain, right? So it's not that bad to have waited for that break. Yes, it has a bullish divergence, but we did not know how strong the move was going to come through. Yeah, it's not that bad. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily, very nice recovery, impulse up, down, slope consolidation, right? We are starting to flag here onto Ethereum. And I'm just waiting for this to load, man. It just takes forever. There we go. So we're not getting that flag in motion. Maybe it's on the shorter time scales, but we'll go back to it in a second. And here, I just drew a line. I think we might have something around here on the daily. I'm gonna hit confirm. No, we don't have anything yet. We're still slightly lower there on the MACD. So nothing here. If anything, we didn't even have anything bullish to here. So yeah, it's just moving sideways, trying to recover a little bit, getting on that Bitcoin motion, and still holding the same area, right? 1,674 to 1,465. That is range. Got to try to break that, right? At least we're above the 20 right now, which is okay. Might move that back down to back test it. Smaller time scales are going to give us a better clue. So we had the bearishness at a key area of resistance, strong bearish divergence, moving down to support at 1,514. We're somewhere on here last night. And right now, getting that action to the upside, right? Very nice recovery. Very nice recovery here in Ethereum. And sitting neutral at 57.39. Again, there's really nothing bullish coming through or anything bearish happening right now. So we could still rally here in Ethereum, particularly if Bitcoin keeps on stagnating. And on the 1 hour chart, right, we had the bearishness move down on that. We had not created anything bullish to here. On the small rally and a small drop. Again, nothing bullish, right? And the move that I wanted to draw before we shifted off to that 1 hour chart was this one. And this move is going to tell us, right? It's going to tell us that we have divergence, right? Bearish divergence, hidden. Potential fraction downside, moving down to support at 1,618. Again, impulse up, down, some consolidation. We're flagging. We could be setting up for a next leg up here on Ethereum, particularly if Bitcoin plays ball, right? If Bitcoin, stagnates, or pumps a bit, we might see Ethereum trying to pump with it, right? As for Ethereum, let's go check out ADA at 47 cents, right? ADA, is this from the daily? Yes. Why is it all skewed, man? There we go. Bullish divergence, actually the upside, nothing bearish happening afterwards. Neutral at 50.06. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. On the 4-hour bullish divergence, right? We had this hidden bullish popping. We set to the 20. We're very close to it. So target's almost hit. And neutral at 49.77. There's really nothing bearish happening. And, you know, just the market is still highly undecided. Somewhere around here last night, again, just like Bitcoin, right? Rally failed. Got above at 20, and then we could start looking for something nice to happen. But now we are creating this hidden divergence, right? Hidden bearish divergence. Jason Minot, what's up, dude? Hidden bearish, right? Potential for action downside, maybe stagnation. Go down to a 20 moving average at 47 cents. I think that's what we have, man. I think that's what we have so far, right? So, yeah. Again, there's just really not a lot going on. Those APEPES are falling a little bit. I was really hoping that they were going to keep their price. But, you know, 0.45 again. They were at 0.60 a couple days ago. Now they're now in 0.44. I'm just, they've just been stagnating around this level. Hopefully, we see a rally coming through. And I think they have something dropping on October or something. Like, whatchamacallit, dude? They're gonna be dropping the zombies, I guess, or mutants. I'm not sure what their name is. Well, they're gonna be dropping something. You sold one APEPE today for $700 and went and got your Subaru back. All right. 1K profit on APEPES. Right, yeah. I'm just waiting on this, man. I'm trying to see where they're gonna go. If they're gonna go higher. I mean, I have this combination, eye patch and bowler hat. So they're going for around, like, you know, that's a prize. I don't think I've seen any of them. So the high last sale 1.2, right? So I guess 1.8 could be a good target for this combination. The one before that is this one. The one I have is this one. And then for this one, the one with the robot eyes and the stud, they're around 0.95, and then above there, you just go 1.48, and 1.88. And if you look at the sales, right? I don't think I've seen any of them sell at that at those levels, right? So 0.98 here, one of them, but again, it has like that sailor hat, different color skin, I guess. Mine's this one, right? And again, not seeing any of this go higher than 0.9. So maybe one Ethereum or 0.95 might be a fair price for this one's. Or that combination together. Yeah, that's what we're gonna see, right? Tristan, what's up? Am I a moving NFT? No, I'm a talking wolf. It actually talks when I talk, and it looks when I look, and it shifts its head when I shift my head. Ain't that cool? It actually also winks when I wink. See? Winking with one eye. Winking with the other one. There we go. I'm actually a 3D wolf. I became a 3D wolf. A wizard put a spell on his eye, and now we are wolves. Yeah. So, crypto struggling, right? Crypto struggling a lot. I want to wait for some of those NFTs to pop back up And I next rally I might sell one. I'm not sure. I was really hoping to get one of those, like, mutants or whatever. But yeah, thinking, I'm not sure how strong or how much higher these things can go here, as far as an investment. I think it seems as though they have plateaued to some extent. I'm trying to see if I can open here the floor price. It just tells me that there's these two. No, never mind. That's with the. Let's hide this. Add this and hide this. And I just want to get this floor price. So yeah, again, it's not that bad if I move to half, and then above there, I guess someone has to come and sweep it. So it's quite a few more to go 0.6 again. But I was trying to look at the chart. Is there a chart for this? Is there where we can see a chart for this? I guess any of this should show. It doesn't show the actual prize they had. Bollocks. I wanted to see if there was a way to see, the actual charts for this. Here we go. All right, I think this one works, right? So you can see the average price on September 3rd was around 0.86, and then went down to 0.5, and then went 0.65. On what is the average price of sales, I guess, or 12 sales of this, and so I guess we're somewhere around there. All right. Yeah, if you skip on another one's gonna be interesting. Matrix avatars have a big announcement. All right, that's interesting, dude. That is interesting. Position the deposit. Sorry, yeah, position deposit. Nice. Jason says, "This is my first time experiencing riding up the bull market. I'm rolling down the bear market now." Oh, yeah. It's boring, dude. It takes forever. You don't know when the actual bottom is the bottom, and you just got to keep on trying to guess whether the bottom or not. We are the bottom. I think we could go a little bit lower still. The next couple months should tell. But it's just it's boring, dude. It's annoying. Everyone comes in with the markets at its highest. No one's almost here when the market's dropping, and that's important time, right? You have to put in the time. You have to be in here during the boring times, so you can buy during the boring times, so that when the next exciting times comes, you're all set. What is it like? That's just boring AF. We could go for like a year just doing almost nothing. 200, 300 days, like nothing. Jake's 20 times long right now. Yeah, just make sure you still keep some cash around in case the market drops more, and then you're able to buy at a better price still. It's yeah, we're gonna see, man. Girls long to 20 eggs, but yeah. Yeah, Jake goes crazy with his longs, dude. Jake goes crazy with his longs, dude. Sometimes he hits good longs, and then sometimes he doesn't. Yeah. You log the incognito streams. Yeah, kind of, I shifted the office around, and the way it's shifted, the blue screen that I have no longer fits. And I I gotta figure out if I'm gonna have it dropping from the ceiling, and then, you know, if that is the case, if the blue screen starts to become, you know, wrinkled, then, you know, it doesn't work as well. So it's not, you know, taut, and I have to figure out, you know, how to keep it stretched while it's, you know, hanging from the ceiling, but at the same time be removable, because otherwise it makes walking through the office a real pain in the butt. So it is just, you know, it's interesting. It's I'm thinking of making something that rolls up and then secures to the top with some, you know, Velcro or something. But again, that gets it to where it, you know, starts to wrinkle and it's not, you know, stretched, and then the shadows just mess around with the blue screen. It's I gotta get it sorted quickly, I guess, to some extent, and then see how things go from there. But yeah, I gotta figure that one out quick, I guess. We're gonna see. The head gestures in the movement go really good when you're explaining stuff. Yeah, dude, it's coordinated to follow my face and my voice. So if I wink, it winks. Like I'm trying to close one eye there we go, and then I'm trying to close the other one, there we go. And if I shift my head, it shifts it. If I tilt it back and forward, if I go like this to the side of the desk, if I go like this to the other side, you know, it just moves when I move. So yeah. It's the ears. Oh, the last one's moving independently. Ah, interesting now. Interesting to see that the ears move when I move. They're to better hear the market. Yeah, it's interesting, guys. You know, it's gonna be a short stream tonight. I gotta finish some stuff. Again, just personal stuff, no work stuff. But I gotta finish up some stuff here around the house. Like I said, no stream tomorrow or Friday. Expect a delayed stream. We're gonna see how things go. Maybe no stream on Friday. Like I said, right? I'm not 100% sure. But Saturday should be a stream for sure, and then Sunday again, regular stream. Cool show, right? So again, just wanted to come in live, talk for a bit, and before I head out. Talk market, and that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Again, just a quick stream. I'll be back on Saturday, probably, maybe Friday if there's a chance, but I highly doubt it. It's just gonna depend on what time I get back in. And yeah, that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of sorry, not tomorrow, Saturday, very likely, for another edition of So Crypto. Again, stay tuned to the market, and be careful with your investments. Remember, don't take financial advice from a treaty wolf. The wolf, it's not a financial advisor. So yeah, everything here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Don't trade based on what you see here. Discussing ideas, not financial advice. Hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Tell your peeps about this channel, and have them join and subscribe, or they'll lose their cryptos to bears. So, dudes, that's gonna be it for tonight, and until then.